The universe doesn't just roar, it also sings.
Earth's auroras create a gentle whisper kakkand, the sound of charged light.
Tiny ice particles colliding, forming nature's quietest symphony.
Vibrations from deep inside the sun. A heartbeat.
A collapsed star that keeps perfect time. A galactic metronome.
NASA turned its light curves into sound. A world that hums like a violin.
Every few seconds, it pulses. A slow rhythm echoing across time. As it left the solar system, Voyager recorded the gentle hum of the stars.
The oldest song in existence, the Earth.
Amid the silence of space, beauty still sings.